Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie. This is Asiatic Wiz. I am so excited to be back with you today because I have something that I have loved for really since the beginning of my channel, way back when, in like 2019, in 2019. A bargain bead box. Yes, February's bargain bead box is here. And I am so excited to have this back in my arsenal, to have this subscription back, and I've missed it. I have really missed having it here. And so for the month of February 2022, I decided, let me just dive back in and get started with this, creating from their beautiful beads and everything that they just sent. So the month of February, they are doing Amethyst Elegance. Amethyst Elegance. Genuine Amethyst is their centerpiece for this month, including a hand-wrapped pendant, frosted rounds, and a finely faceted petite beads. Accents include purple agate, sparkling crystals, metallic glass, porcelain rondelles with purple tones varying from lavender to deep violet. Oh, sleek silver findings and round motifs add a classic yet clean modern touch to this month's palette. And how appropriate that they have chosen amethyst for the month of February. That is February's birthstone, amethyst. And it is one of the most beautiful colors ever. And who doesn't like purple? I love purple. It is my favorite color. So I am so excited to get back in that. So let me unwrap and let's see what we have here. And as always, it comes wonderfully wrapped in a beautiful organza bag every month that you receive your subscription. And of course it's purple because it represents the amethyst. Let's dig in. Okay, for number one, we have 1 meter, 3 millimeter, 1 meter, 3 millimeter steel Rolo jewelry chain. I've always had good experiences with bargain bead box chain. I don't expect the quality has changed much. If anything, it has gotten better. So I'm excited to have more chain. It's always fun to have. As always, their chain is lead-free and nickel-free. Next, we have 5 sets of circle pattern toggle clasps. Again, lead-free, nickel-free, and these are as well cadmium-free. For those who are super sensitive and do not, and cannot rather, have certain elements in their jewelry pieces. Here we go. And I like the little detail on there. If you can see that, those little circles in there. I like that detail. And these are not typical toggle clasps. They have it's like a little, almost like an octagon in there. I like the beginning of an octagon in there. So I like that little detail. So we have 5 sets of those. Now I have 2 of these. It doesn't state that we would have received 2, but I have 2 of these. This is a 36 by 32 millimeter dotted, 36 by 32 millimeter filigree style round pendant. They both came individually in the bag, so I'm not sure if it doesn't state that it would be 2 of them in here, so I don't know if that was just an oversight, but I'm happy to have them and I will absolutely use them. So very nice. So it's a nice design on the front. It is not repeated on the back, so it's a clear front and back. They are both the same, front and back. So I will absolutely use both of these in the design. And like I said, they came in individual bags, so I don't think I was supposed to have 2 of these, but I will put them to good use. Here we have 20 pieces of 8 millimeter dotted round bead caps. I'm not going to take them all out to show you, but I will show you how they look. Here's a close-up. I don't think I've ever had this particular style before, but I like the way they stack. But that's cool. It almost looks like a little bowl. Nice little decorative bowl. And so we have 20 of these. These are 8mm. I'm just showing you 3, but we have 5 pieces of a 26 by 19mm donut links. And so you know they're links because they have the 2 ends. And this is cool because the ends they have a different rotation. So you can, if you wanted to use these perhaps, let's say as an earring, you can put your earring hook in here, and then down on this side you can have something that dangles, or even use this as a necklace pendant, and you can have something here. Or you flip it over this way, and you can, if you had chain that was thin enough or something that you can string through there, and then you would have something additional hanging here. So I like that they have their links as 2 different orientations. That really makes it a much more versatile piece. And while I'm showing you 3, again, we received 5 of these. Okay, next up we have an approximately 12 inches of 4mm crystal bicone beads. And it's beautiful, deep, deep metallic purple. It's almost like a plum. It's so pretty, and it just, as usual, they just sparkle and shine, and I just really, really love that color. It's so deep and rich and beautiful, and I hope my light is giving it justice. I'm using natural daylight today, so hopefully that's giving it all that it's giving me. Beautiful. Here we have a 10mm purple agate round beads. We have about 12 of them. We have about 12 of them here. And the beautiful thing about agate is that you get those beautiful striations and just the variness of color and deepness. And no 2 are exactly the same. And that's just beautiful. And number 8, we have an 8-inch strand of 8 by 6mm crystal rondelle beads in a slate peacock color. And this has different, it's got gray, and almost looks like an AB finish. It's got gray, and then there's some purple and just different, just a different look. And I always love that sparkle because it helps you make different types of jewelry. You can jazz it up a little bit and make it more of a formal jewelry wear, or you can do something just a pop of shine on something really casual. Very pretty. Next, we have a 7-inch strand of 8mm natural amethyst beads in a matte finish. So again, we just got that theme, that amethyst, and just different varieties of amethyst. And this is a matte, almost looks frosted, but it's really pretty. Next, we have 4 pieces of a 23 by 18mm cut out round drops. And these again are lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free. Oh, these are pretty. I like these. These are really nice. I like these. That's cute as a little necklace, charm, or pendant, or earrings. Really nice. Nice design on these. And I'll let you see the back of them. Really cute. Next, we have 10 pieces of a 10mm patterned glass beads. These have a matte crystal metallic rainbow iris. So that's a lot going on with these little beads. You can see the pattern. You know, they remind me, the pattern almost reminds me of Christmas ornaments. The designs, they kind of look like little mini Christmas ornaments, Christmas tree ornaments. These are cute. Here we have a 15-inch strand of 6mm glass round beads, and they are falling off the string, so let me be careful of where my end is. Okay, there we are. So again, these are 6mm glass round beads, again in that slate blue purple iris color. So we have a little gray or silver coloring in there. We have that purple to go with that amethyst, and then you see little inflections of blue as well. Let me gather these up before I make a whole mess. On this strand we have 30 pieces, 7x6mm handmade porcelain rondelles in a purple glaze color. This is different to me. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. This is nice. I like these. Each one is different. Yeah, you can see that each one is different. Really nice. A lot of different colors in here. And just taking a closer look, it looks like there's a little deep, very deep purple, almost looks reddish in there. You see that? Here we have a little bag of spacer beads. I mean, you can't get any simpler than that. They're just silver spacer beads. The same on each side, nothing different. Hole goes all the way through, of course. That's cute, that's different. I don't think I've seen these before. Cool. Here we have a 10-piece strand of 14x6mm crystal teardrop beads in a lavender color. These are cute. Here we have 10 pieces of a 9x10mm crystal half matte chevron beads and a blue purple iris. And that blue and that purple go together so well. And again, the decoration on these kind of reminds me of Christmas tree ornaments. Next we have 20 pieces of an 8x4mm crystal faceted coin beads in a lavender AB finish. And these are pretty. They look like little buttons almost, but they have a nice reflective feature about them. And you can see they're faceted on the sides, which help give them that reflective quality. Pretty. Here we have a 7-inch strand of 3mm finely faceted natural amethyst beads. And these are the tiniest little things. But very pretty because it's amethyst and purple rules. And last but certainly not least by a long shot, we have the hand-wrapped amethyst and brass circle pendant. And this is really, really nice. And I really appreciate them adding the bail to that. So that's really nice. That's a nice little feature. Hold that up. There, you can see it a little better, I hope. That's cute. I like that. That's really cool. Wire wrapping is very tight. No, that's not going anywhere. That's very nice. Very well done. So there you have it, guys. Another look at what was in the February 2022 bargain bead box with the theme of Amethyst Elegance. And I just love it. I love this sea of purple and different variations of purple and the richness of the color. We go from lavender to almost like a deep plum. It's just gorgeous. That's just the best way I can describe it. I absolutely love the color purple. Not just the movie, but the actual color. Haha. Anyway, I do. I love it. I absolutely love the color purple, and I'm excited to work with this. I think it matches beautifully with silver, and so you really can't go wrong with the purple and the silver. And I can't wait. I can't wait. I cannot wait to get started again with designing and putting together some nice little looks with these elements. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Thanks for joining me again. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing what you've created with this box, and I will be back to show what I've done with this box. Hope to see you again soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.